In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a complex part in our 6th grade proficiency, 2, 4, and 6 up. I'm going to go over 3 on this scale, so I'm going to end up in the middle of a line there, and then I'm going to go 6 up again. Now, where that should lead me, it should lead me in that middle of that line. So I'm going to use that up 1/2 slope that I've been using. Now, I'm going to continue my drawing going to the left here, and I'm going to go over 19. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Again, that line lines me up in the middle of that line. So I'm just going to frame out my front view here. So I'm going to go up 10. So again, you're going to notice that I'm in the half, so I'm just going to go 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's 8.5, 9.5. Then that gets me up to 10. Now I'm going to continue and framing this first L section that we saw, and I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and from there I'm going to go 4 up, 2 and 4. I'm going to keep that same slope that I've been using. From here I'm going to give me a line that goes 7, so 2, 4, 6, 7. And again, everything stays on that 1/2 slope. Now I'm going to continue building out now that I got this front face here. I'm going to go from here, and again, I'm in the middle of a line here, so I'm going to go up 1/2 for 2, 4, and then again 6. So we can see that I end up in the middle of that line again. So I'm going to use that same slope of up 1/2 to the right, and I'm going to go for a length of 3 this time. So that'll put me right on the corner of that line. And I'm going to come building down on this one with that same line of 6. So I'm going to go 2, 4, and 6. Sticking with that same scale, I'm going to go 2, 4, and 6 coming down. I'm going to go up 1/2 to the left for that length of 3. I've already established that I'm going to go 3 here. That ends me up in the middle of the line. I'm going to go 6 up. So that ends me in the middle of the line again, and I'm going to continue that slope. Now, we've already established that scale, so I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to go 12 up. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Again, I'm ending up in the middle of the line there. Now, using that same slope here, I can go up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, and I should end up right at that point there. Now from here, I'm going to go up my 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, that puts me in the middle of the line. I'm going to continue that same slope, up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, and that puts me right there in terms of our line. Now I'm going to just finish framing out my width on this now. So I'm going to go from here, I'm going to go up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, and up 1/2. I'm going to take it from here. I'm going to go up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, and that should end up right there. So what we can see now is we have that same complex part that we looked at in terms of our proficiency.